When you run hard, your body shuts off blood flow to your digestion by up to 80%, literally turning your pre-race meal into a rotting time bomb. This isn't just bad luck, it's basic mechanics. During intense exercise, your sympathetic nervous system triggers splanchnic hypoperfusion. Essentially, your body steals oxygen-rich blood from the stomach to fuel your heart, lungs, and legs. If you have food waiting to be digested without blood flow to process it, fermentation begins immediately, causing the bloating, sloshing, and emergency stops that ruin races. But here is the trap that catches the most health-conscious runners: the clean eating paradox. The high-fiber oatmeal, kale salads, and whole grains that make you healthy in training are disastrous on race day. Fiber is indigestible bulk that requires massive blood flow to move. Blood you simply do not have at mile 18. You are essentially loading your cargo hold with heavy bricks right before trying to fly a fighter jet. It gets more specific than just fiber. You need to eliminate high-FODMAP foods. These are fermentable carbohydrates that draw excess water into the intestine, creating a high-pressure liquid environment. When you combine high-FODMAP foods with hypertonic gels taken without enough water, you create an osmotic storm that forces your body to evacuate the bowel immediately. Most runners stop there, but the real secret is that the gut is highly plastic. It can be trained just like a muscle. If you avoid fueling during training to teach your body to burn fat, you are simultaneously teaching your stomach to reject fuel. You must practice running with significant fluid and carbohydrate volume in your stomach for weeks to upregulate the transport proteins SGLT1 and GLUT5. For race week, shift to a low-residue diet starting 48 hours out. We want caloric density with zero structural waste. Think white rice, white bread, bananas, and pulp-free juice. You want the fuel in the tank, but you want the tank itself to be physically empty of debris when the gun goes off. If disaster strikes mid-race, stop forcing the fuel. Slow down by 30 seconds per mile to allow blood to return to the gut. Sip plain water to fix the gastric concentration, and wait for the bloating to subside. You lose minutes slowing down, but you lose the entire race if you don't fix the ischemia. Respect your physiology, or your physiology will stop you.